About the allegation against his son, he said,
किती आसा त्याचे डेफेमेशन जेन्ना हांवें फायल करता म्हण सांगलें तेन्ना इंटरनेटा वयल्यान नाच जाला हें खरें म्हळ्यार आतां हें खंयच्या वेळार खबर ना ऑलरेडी तेन्ना फाटीं एकदां येयल्ले तुमी आसतना तुमी म्हाका विचारलेलें हांव पुलिसाची मिटींग घेतलें तेन्नाच म्हाका तुमी कोण तरी विचारलें तेन्ना त्या सांगलें हांव डेफेमेशन घालता म्हणटा तेन्ना ते इकॉनॉमीक टायम्साचेर आयिल्लें आनी त्या वेळाचेर ते इंटरनेटाचेर ना म्हणून अशें म्हाका एडवोकेटान म्हाका बॉम्बेचे सांगलें हांव तांकां तें डेफेमेशन आनीक हें करपाचें आसा सोटवाय दाखोवनी न्हू आमी तांकां आमी डेफेमेशन घालपाचें तें सगळें तयारी चालू आसा दाखोवनी कितें आसा तें दाखोवनी येवन ही काम आनी ऑलरेडी केस जी आसा ती ऑलरेडी CBI कडेन आसा लेट देम अप्रोच CBI व्हॉट इज देयर.
NGOs, politicians and concerned citizens of the state yesterday called for judicial inquiry into the incident involving the brutal assault of Advocate Iris Rodriguez and Prajal Sakardande early this week.
The demand was made at the open forum titled We Shall Overcome, which was held yesterday evening at the Azad Maidan in Panjim to condemn the attack on the two social activists. The forum began with a short performance portraying the sordid state of affairs in our state and country.
Mind you, but we still believe them in a heartbeat. Karzandan. We the people are a greedy breed. For 30 pieces of silver we sell our minds. We sell our children. We breed monsters who spit us out in a heartbeat. We sell our votes, our souls to the goons in a heartbeat. Karzandan. There's a dark wind, a putrid wind, an obscene wind choking us, assaulting us like knives and axes, and we believe in the lie behind the mask in a heartbeat. Karzandan. We, the people, see clearly behind your masks. We know what you are. We see the blood, our blood, on your hands, Can you not hear the curses in the wind? We, the people, will never give up the right to think freely, to speak freely. We the people warn you to listen with our heartbeat. We, the people of Bharat Mata, protest against all betrayal with our heartbeat. We, the people of Goa, ask you to think carefully, very, very carefully, and we will bring justice to bear. In a heartbeat! 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 Listen to us. Please listen to us with your heartbeat.
Voicing their views at the gathering later were various politically affiliated persons as well as the common man.
But I will defend the right of Iris to say that till the last drop of my blood. And each and every Goan must do that. Because today, the assault is not against Iris. The assault is not against Prajal. The assault is on our freedom of dissent. And if we are not permitted to dissent, then you can pack this democracy and throw it out into the gutters. It does not make any sense for us. आमकां एक शिकपाक जाय हांगा that if we have to be a civilized society, if you do not want your children to inherit a Goa that is barbaric, that is uncivilized, that is undemocratic, and another Afghanistan, believe me, that may come someday. If you do not want your children to inherit that, there is only one eye that you must see in that fish, and that is the eye of the law and order.
आता तरी गोंयकारांनो जागे जायात रे, आता तरी गोंयकारांनो जागे जायात रे, फुडल्या पिळगे खातीर तरी गोंया राखात रे. झाडां पेडां मारून हाणी, दोंगर शेतां विकली हाणी, झाडां पेडां मारून हाणी, दोंगर शेतां विकली हाणी, आडवो तिडवो हात मारून सगळे गोंया लुटले हाणी, आडवो तिडवो हात मारून सगळे गोंया लुटले हाणी. वेळचो असो आयला आता सादूर जायात रे, वेळचो असो आयला आता सादूर जायात रे, पिळगे खातीर तरी गोंया राखात रे.
Remove all the pictures of Mahatma Gandhi from all Congress offices, from all government offices, and put this one. Gandhi has seen enough. Please don't make him see any more.
आज जे तरेन हे राज्य चलत आयला आणि जे तरेचे राज्य करपी आमचेर आसात ते जर पळयत म्हाका केन्ना केन्ना दिसता पुर्तुगेज पार्टी आयल्या म्हणून. त्या पुर्तुगेज अशेंच करताले, मोनचेर अशेंच करतालो, रातचो वतालो, घर दार फोडटालो, भितर वतालो, लोकांक मारतालो.
म्हाका एक मेसेज दिवपाक जाय पुलिसांक, स्टॉप पॉलिटिकल पोलिसिंग, स्टॉप पॉलिटिकल पोलिसिंग. जे पळय पॉलिटिशियन सांगतात ते तुमी करनाका, तुमच्या पोलिसांची ड्युटी आसा ती तुमी करा. धरून हाडात त्या चोरांक. बांदनी म्हणून दुसरी सांगपाक शकता हांव, हे जे कोण पळय मास्क घालून पळय आयल्या ते जावन आसा तांची विकनेस. आम्ही ताका चॅलेंज करतात, उक्ती येयात आमचे कडेन झगडपाक, आम्ही आसा तुमचे मुखार गोंयकार.
Meanwhile, members of the Citizens Welfare Committee of Fatorda yesterday held a day-long hunger strike at the Lohia Maidan in Margaon in an expression to solidarity against the attack on the spokesperson of UT Goinkara, Iris Rodriguez, and historian Prajal Sakardande. Speaking to Goa 365, Savio Dice, president of the CWC, elaborated on their demands.
Don't this party advocate Iris attack zalo no? Teka lagun we are condemning that attack which is against democracy. आम्ही आता एका मागताय गव्हर्मेंटा कितें न्ही तेजेर CBI इन्क्वायरी करची आनी कोण तेजे फाटल्यान आहा ते हे करून दाखोवचें जस्टीस. ते आयरिसाक जस्टीस मेळपा जाय. So in support of the Iris we are having this hunger strike sitting dharna.
We are heading for a short break. Stay tuned.